Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, Question 24. Factorize 5x squared minus 20 completely. A. 5 into x squared minus 4. B. 5 into x squared plus 4. C. 5 into x minus 2 also into x plus 2. And D. 5x open bracket x minus 2 close bracket open bracket x plus 2. So we have to simplify and we have to factorize. Now listen to the instruction. It says what? Factorize completely, that is to the lowest. Now we're giving what? We're giving 5x squared minus 20. 5x squared minus 20. Now to begin our factorization, looking at 5x squared and 20, you know that 5 is a common factor of these two figures here. 5 is a common factor because 5 can go into 5x squared and at the same time go into what? 20. So therefore we say 5 into x squared minus 4. Like we know 20 divided by 5 will give us what? 4. 5 times minus 4 will give us minus 20. 5 times x squared will give us what? 5x squared. I believe you understand what I just did here. So I just simply factorize this. 5 will go into 5x squared. Look at it. 5 times 5x and x squared will give us 5x squared. And 5 will go into what? Minus 20 minus 4 times. So we have minus 4 here. I believe you understand. Now looking at this, these two here in the brackets are what? Are perfect squares. You have x squared here and you have 4. 4 is a perfect square of 2. So we can also what? Simplify this here. We can simplify this here. So therefore we have that what? 5 into, now we want to deal with the what? We want to deal with the simplification of x squared minus 4. We have to factorize x squared minus 4. Now let me come here and do the factorization of what? X squared minus 4. X squared minus 4. Now like I said, I see x squared here simply means what? Simply means the square of x, and 4 here is what? Is a perfect square of the number 2. 4 is the perfect square of the number 2. And to continue our factorization, we have to take note of the sign that is here. Remember, we have a negative sign here. So this is same thing as saying what? X in brackets minus 2 close brackets into another bracket x plus 2. Now what we just did here what is just simply what? Factorization of x squared minus 4. Now let us check. Let's what? Check. X times x here will give us what? X times x here will give us x squared. You see? Now x times plus 2 here will give us what? Plus 2x. Now minus 2 times x here will give us what? Minus 2x. And minus 2 times plus 2 will give us what? Minus 4. Now plus 2x minus 2x will give us 0. So we have what? X squared minus 4. You can see now. So the factorization of x squared minus 4 is x minus 2 into what? X plus 2. Because you're having a negative sign here, we have to change what? Alternate this negative these signs. We have to have a negative and a positive sign, because if you have just negative and negative, remember negative times negative will always give us positive, and we will not get what the answer to this. When we check, we won't get this. And if you put it plus plus, you won't get this or negative. So whenever you have a negative sign like this and you are trying to factorize perfect squares, you must what? Change this word sign into minus and positive plus, so that when you carry out your multiplication, you can have what? You can have your expression back as we have here, x squared minus 4. So therefore the factorization of x squared minus 4 is simply what? X minus 2 x plus 2. So therefore we say what? 5 into x minus 2 close brackets x plus 2. Now this is the final answer. We've completely factorized this. We've completely factorized this. Now which of the options here correspond to our answer? Option A says f5 open brackets x minus 4, x square minus 4 is wrong. B says 5 into x square plus 4 is wrong. B says 5 into x minus 2 into what? X plus 2. This is very correct. And this says 5x into x minus 2 and into x plus 2, which is wrong. So our correct answer to this question is option C. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.